Okay, here's a sort of a walkthrough of the control panel here in the middle. This is for the loft. These two are for the slide ins and slide outs. You can see the other video on that. This is just a charger. It's a solar thing. There's two solar panels on the roof of the camper that trickle charge the batteries. Down here, this is where the generator starts and stops. We've already talked about that. And this is the water heater. You turn the water heater on. It runs on propane, so you turn it on and it's going to run. If you're not hooked up to city water, you're going to want to have your water pump on. So you turn your water pump on, you can see that that's on. These are your gauges for the different things. So the liquid propane, you can see it comes up, it's full. Same thing with our battery. The battery's full. Got a little bit of water in our fresh water, about 1/3 of a tank. Our black tank, which is what comes out of you, is the black tank, and that we'll talk a little bit about that in the other video. And then the gray water. The gray water is when you wash the dishes and you wash your hands, take a shower. That's what goes in the gray water. Okay. Down here is a control for the front AC, where you turn the air conditioner on, off. You can have fan, high or low, air or cool, high and low. You can turn it on auto, so if you set a temperature, and it will turn itself off. If you don't put it on auto, then it just runs all the time. This one also is where you control the heat. The inverter control is when you're driving. You can turn the inverter on so that the refrigerator can run off the engine. We typically tell you just to leave the generator on. So, and then down here is just it's a readout of what everything is. So they're using right now, the RV's using about 22 amps. It's running on the generator, which generates 50 amps, and it says the refrigerator, the AC, and the rear and the AC in the front is what's running. So, all right.